Now, the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, and the Chinese Benevolent Association, CBA, will be looking to retain the title they jointly won last year as day one action of the second staging of the CBA Dragon Boat Festival got underway on Saturday. Hydra women won round one of the women's race in 1:11 and 52 seconds ahead of the general women, who were second, Port Royal Blazers women, who ended third, and Sea Vixens in fourth.
We have 17 races going on. We have 15 teams. With train of 18 teams, including the women's and the mixed group. So we have three different categories of racing. We have what's called the mix. We have the open, which is usually all men, and we have the women's.
Now, Vincent Chang, past president of the CBA and chairman of the CBA Dragon Boat Festival Committee, says there is more than double the number of teams participating in this year's staging.
We have one from Trinidad and two from Bahamas. And last year was all local teams, and we had, I think, about 7 teams. So we have grown in strength. And as you see, even if you came here today, you will hear people say they're interested in coming to paddle. So I think there is great interest in this sport.
Now, day 2 action gets underway at 9 on a Sunday morning, with the presentation ceremony to follow the different finals.